Hi students, welcome to Stars of Knowledge Learn the channel. I know guys you've been waiting for the update for the June examinations. So guys, British Council has updated their website and they have mentioned that if you have a computer delivered IELTS exam anywhere in New Delhi, Gurgaon, Amritsar, Mumbai, Pune, Vadodara, Surat, Vijayawada, Chennai, Coimbatore, you can see. So all the computer-based IELTS exam from 31st May, which is today, till 6th of June, that means this whole week there are no computer delivered exams going to held in these cities. And for the Chandigarh, it's same. Only the weekend exams are cancelled. So if you have your computer delivered exam from Monday to Friday, it's going to happen in Chandigarh. For Saturday, Sunday, it's cancelled. And for Hyderabad, it's cancelled in all centers. And for Ahmedabad, yes, you have a computer delivered exam. In Ahmedabad, exams are happening in a normal speed and a space and a pace. And for Ahmedabad cities, there is no cancellation. But guys, now let's come back to the pen and paper based IELTS exam, which is the most question being asked by the students. So guys, if you have your pen and paper based IELTS exam on 5th June 2021, which is after like 5 days, then guys, British Council has not updated their website, and the reason for not updation is it is not cancelled in the India. So your IELTS pen paper based exam for 5th June across India is not cancelled. It is only cancelled in some places, and in some places 5th of June exam is going to happen. They have not mentioned that in which states or cities exam is going to happen or exam is cancelled. So you have to wait for their email or their SMS to you guys. Let me show you on a screen that one of my student who have a 5th June exam, she's received this email that for the 5th June exam, 31st May, which is today, she will get an updation on the exam today. So guys, same like her, if you have your exam today, you will get an email. So if you have exam on 5th of June, then today you will get email about postpone, about cancellation, or about your venue details that your exam is going to happen. So if you have exam, just have patience till today evening or maybe tonight. You will get an email from the certain place for your exams updation regarding cancellation or is it happening. And secondly, in her email, as I'm going to show you only those lines that IELTS centers are going to, what they are doing is IELTS test center now open with COVID-19 precautions. That means guys, IELTS test centers are now open. So that means in June test centers will be opened, your coaching centers will be slowly opening with the COVID-19 precautions. So guys, COVID-19 precautions means if in certain states there is no lockdown, then yes, there will be IELTS exam. If there is a lockdown, there will be no examination. Some places, if there is a lockdown with relaxations, like only 50 students can give exams or 20 students can give exam in one center, then if you have 100 people, then only 50 people will be giving the exam and the rest 50 will have a cancellation or a postpone of the examinations. So you have to keep an eye on your email IDs and on your SMS guys, because we can only tell you anything if it is updated on the British Council or the IDP websites. We are not some kind of magicians that we're gonna know these kind of things. Let me be very honest with you. So you have to keep an eye on your emails and on your SMS. But all I want to say is that exams are going to start happening, so things will be changed in June. So I think hopefully by the next month, July, everything will be back to the normal as it was with the examinations. So best of luck for your examinations and take care of yourselves. If there is any other query or anything you want to ask, please leave a comment below. I will definitely try to answer you back on this. And thank you for watching this video. Good luck. Take care of yourselves. and please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge London, and please hit the bell icon so that you do get a notification when we post any videos. And yes, June cue card topics prediction will be available tomorrow on the channel, guys, and the 12th June prediction is already available on the channel for you to watch. Thank you, students. Thank you so much. Bye bye.